What's up, guys? Episode 6, and we're going to get into some more exterior parts. Probably after this episode, maybe we'll get into interior. So today's episode, we're going to be talking about hoods, wings, and mirrors. So there's a couple things you can do in terms of wings, at least. And there's a couple things with mirrors as well. Hoods were kind of limited. Very limited, actually. They used to sell hoods back in the day, different types of hoods, but one that sticks out to me noticeably is the Monster hood. That was very popular within the Galant community. And today's day and age, you can still actually get a Monster hood. Now, these are going to be replicas that people in the community are making. And I'll see if I could find a picture to post, but Jordan, I can't remember his last name, he has a couple batches of fiberglass hoods. Now the thing is, if you want to get one of these hoods, it costs, I want to say it costs about $350. Then the shipping is the issue, because shipping a big item like that across seas is going to cost a lot of money. So there's options there. What they can do is they can cut the hood in half. They'll cut it right down the middle, and they'll be able to ship it out at a lower cost. Or you would just have to foot the big bill. I'm not sure exactly what a hood would cost to be shipped. I believe he's in Europe somewhere. I'll have to check again. But something like that is going to cost a bit of money. But it's a big item, and it really does change the look of the Galant. It makes the Galant look so much aggressive. And I really love this hood. I'm really thinking of buying a hood and or customizing. I gotta watch a couple videos and just see what goes into the details of customizing a hood, because if you're gonna do it custom, there's so many things you can do. I was thinking, because I do eventually want to go turbo. I have a turbo kit and all that, so I eventually do want to run a scoop going into the intake, just so it'll give me better area to breathe. So like I said, you're kind of limited with the hood. You know, you just got the Monster hood, and obviously you can customize it, DIY it. So let's get into mirrors. There's a few, well, there's two options that I know off the top. One is JDM mirrors. The JDM has a different type of mirror. Their mirror is not fixed like ours in the US. Their mirror does move. You know, they can close and open. I believe some are powered as well, so you can get powered mirrors. I believe they look very similar to the non-powered ones. When I mean power, I mean like power, like opening up and closing by itself. I'm not talking about just, you know, the tilt functions for the mirror. So you have the JDM option, or I should say world spec option, and you also have you can also use an Accord side mirrors. I can't remember what Accord it was. I want to say it was a 94 to 97 Accord. You can use that mirror. You'll just have to drill one of the holes. Find a link and put it in the description from the Galant Center. And oh, I also forgot, there is a aftermarket mirror option for the JDM Galants. And I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but it looks similar to the M3. Like the E36 M3 mirror. And yeah, I believe you can also find that here and there on the marketplace. I'm not sure if you can find that brand new, but you see them pop up every once in a while on the marketplace. You just have to, or the car forums and on Facebook, you just have to keep your eyes open or just ask around. Now you're going to have an issue with running the JDM mirrors. And there is a solution to fix that. Since the US spec cars are mostly right-hand drive, the mirrors are going to be like the strength of the mirror is going to be opposite. Like for us in the US, the passenger mirror has to be much stronger so you can see from far away. As a driver's side isn't going to be as strong. Now, when you have a JDM vehicle, a world spec vehicle is going to be reversed. So So there, you got JDM, you have like aftermarket JDM, and you can use the Accord. Some people say you can use the glass. If you need to replace the glass in the JDM mirror, you can use it from the Mirage. I'll see if I can find a description or a link for the description there. I'll put it there. So, like, you got the mirrors there. Let's jump into wings. Now, wings, you can do a lot with the wings. I've seen people do so many different generations of the Evo. I've seen the Evo 8. I've seen the Evo X. I've seen obviously the stock wing that comes on the US Gallants. I've also seen the VR4 wing that comes on the VR4 Gallants. There's so many different wings out there you can put on your car to make it look good. And if you don't want to do a wing, like a big wing like that, you can also do a lip spoiler. There's different kinds of lip spoilers. There's like an M3 style lip spoiler I had on my old white Gallant. And there's also a bigger one from Spoiler King I have on my current Gallant. It's a lip spoiler, but it looks really nice. It's not as thin as the M3. It comes off of the back of the trunk a decent amount. And also on Body Kits Online, there's a duckbill spoiler. I've shown that in my one video with the body kits. So yeah, those are the things you can do. I'm not sure how many different mirrors you can find for the Accord. I would guess you could find a couple. But yeah, that's it for those three things: the hood, the mirror, the rear wing. So yeah, just make sure you check the Facebook car forums, Gallant car enthusiasts. There's all types of VR4 parts for Gallants and Legnums. You gotta look around, and yeah, hopefully that helps somebody out. So next video I may jump into interior. There's a lot of cool things you can do with the interior. A lot of it is custom, but it's fun. And I'll also show you guys what I'm doing on my Gallant as I go through the process, because I haven't even touched the interior in terms of customizing it like my old one. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Peace.